Hello everyone. People trust is a very important factor to give you more visitors and customers. Actually, we need a traffic. We need a visitors first. Visitors only convert to a customer and customers will become a return customers. So for this complete process, the one factor is determine a particular person want to visit your store or not, or a particular person decided to buy a product or not. That's a trust. In this video, we will see about how do you get people to trust your Shopify store in the beginning. The first important thing you need to check in your web store, that's already a SSL enabled. SSL means Secure Socket Layer. Here I will show you. Here you can see the HTTPS. Okay. By default, all stores created in Shopify comes with SSL, so we don't worry about that. In case of WordPress or any other open source platforms, we need to buy it separately. In WordPress, a free plugin is available. You just install it and activate that plugin, so the SSL will be automatically enabled in your store. But in Shopify, it will comes with by default, so you don't worry about SSL. The second one, use credit card badges. You can see any successful stores, a small piece of credit cards icons showing in the footer area. By the customer point of view, they will decide it. Okay, this type of credit cards will be accepted in this store. Okay, we are ready to purchase without any worries. So this type of credit card badges help the visitors to plan and fill them securely. So using credit card badges is very important factor to determine new visitors become customers. You can see all type of stores using this feature. The third point, implement customer reviews. Previous customers reviews are very important because the new customer will see the reviews and feedbacks before the purchase. Because this is an online business and lot of competitions and lot of competitors are available. So a visitor needs some confirmation, and if you want to confirm this particular website is legit or not. So if you provide those customers reviews, that's very helpful to the new visitors. This is called another word, it's called testimonial. You can sell anything, say services or digital product or physical product. That's not an issue. If you provide the existing customer reviews, that's very helpful for the new visitors. So the trust will be automatically created in your store from the existing customer reviews. The fourth point, add email address and phone number in your store somewhere. It may be a contact page or product page or about us page, anywhere, any page. You just add your email address and phone number, because the customer feel the communication is not an issue. If anything happens, we can easily communicate the store owner. So you give a guarantee about the help and support to the visitor. Some store owners are giving live chat 24/7 options. That's actually very great to create a trust in your web store. The next one, think about product guarantee. If you are convinced your product quality is good, then you can use this trick. Just to give you a guarantee about your product. It will automatically create a trust in your store. Because a visitor will feel very safe. Because you have already mentioned the previous customer reviews and you give the guarantee about your product. So they feel very happy and securely. They will think if anything happens against your guarantee, the refund is not a complicated one because you already provided the guarantee in your store. So they will feel if anything happens, they will get a refund without any complicated process. So this your guarantee help you to convert a visitor to a customer. A particular visitor ready to place a order. You can get a lead. The lead converted to sale. The next one, build social presence. Now we are connected with social media to not only our friends, apart from them, throughout the world we can connect by social media. So social media presence is a very enough. It's an essential online presence for any store. It may be a Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest or YouTube. Whatever you have the account within a social media, just link in your store. These steps help you to make trust easily in your store. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any doubts, just post your comment in the comment section. I will see you on next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.